Yes, my dear friends, in this lesson we will learn about the installation of the module necessary for developing an interface with Python. The name of the module we will use is the Pygame module. So what's Pygame? Pygame is the Python module we use to create games and user interfaces in the Python programming language. Although it's easy to use, and also we will learn about this module and carry out various projects in order to read various sensor data or control the Arduino board. As you know, in the previous sections we learned how to communicate the Arduino board and the Python programming language. Now let's learn about Pygame in order to transform the information we have learned into a more beautiful and stylish project. And by the way, installing the Pygame module is quite simple. For this, let's open the terminal and let's type here pip install Pygame and then let's press enter. If we do something like this, we can successfully install Pygame module. Alright my dear friends, in this lesson we have learned how to install Pygame module. So now let's move on to our other lessons and learn the basics of creation interface using Pygame module.